we are capping off a fortnight on the road. We've now done 2 months.
8 weeks,
we actually recorded this video yesterday when we were
at our campground.
Yeah, at our campground in Victor Harbour. But today we've come along to Rapid Bay and look at how stunning this is. We've
got perler weather today, which is probably, we've had 2 days now of perler weather, which is awesome, but the southerly is coming back in, which means that it probably will be a little bit short-lived, but that's all right.
So over the last couple of weeks we left the Grampians down through that region of Victoria there, checked out some of the sinkholes and caves and those sorts of things along the way, down into South Australia. Spent a bit of time around Mount Gambier. We went a little bit quickly to Mount Gambier to get our car serviced, but once that was done we had a bit of time to look around, and then from there cruised down to the coast and
got to hit up Ewan's Ponds, a series of freshwater ponds connected with a little stream. Water is about 13 degrees. It was pretty chilly, but it was an experience not to be missed. The underwater plant life was like nothing we've seen before. I mean, we've done a lot of diving. We've not seen anything like that before. It was absolutely spectacular. Definitely highly recommend that activity if you're in the region. It was incredible. Very cold, but incredible.
From there then we just cruised around the coast. As I said earlier there, we were at Victor Harbour yesterday, so we spent a couple nights there, and we're really looking forward now to getting to Adelaide, catching up with some friends, and then moving on around to the Aaron Peninsula, where we're just going to laze around on the beach for a few weeks.
Hopefully with some perler weather like this. So as always, thanks for watching. We're going to keep putting these out, so if you want to, like and subscribe. Certainly share it around. South Australia has so far stolen our hearts. It is absolutely stunning. Cold, but stunning most of the time. It's been beautiful. Thank you.
You're my sunshine every morning, light up every moment, make my every dream come true. Oh, I can't describe it. Took my tongue and tied it, sent my heart over the moon. It come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Come take my hand and fly away with me. Make my heart race in a hurry, lose my every worry, every second I'm with you. We'll turn all the pages, check off all the places, every day is something new. Don't that sky look blue? Yeah. Come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Come take my hand and fly away with me. You're my sunshine every morning, light up every moment, make my every dream come true. I can't describe it. Took my tongue and tied it, sent my heart over the moon. It come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Come take my hand and fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Let's not miss our chance. Come fly away with me.